In this training, we're going to review how to drag and drop data from MetaStock XENITH into Microsoft Excel. With MetaStock XENITH's improved workspaces, it's easier than ever to bring data into Excel. The easiest and quickest way to add real-time data into Excel is to drag and drop the data from an open app. First, let's make sure we're logged into XENITH and Thomson Reuters Excel. So we're logging into Thomson Reuters Excel here, and we're already logged into XENITH. So we're going to begin by dragging and dropping data in from a quote. So let's open up a quote from My Apps. And let's open up a quote for Microsoft. We'll select Microsoft from the list. And we're going to drag data over from the last field here. You just simply drag and drop it. And you'll see that all of the values from the quote window are populated into the worksheet in Excel. Now we're going to use the same process, and we're going to drag data from our quote list as well as our chart. So I'm just going to minimize the quote window. And we're going to click directly onto the price line in the chart, and we're going to drag it over into our worksheet. And we're going to do the same for some of the instruments here in our quote list. Thank you for joining us today in this training video for how to drag and drop data from MetaStock XENITH into Microsoft Excel.